those elements are giving us the very positive information. The Russell 2000, same thing here on the weekly chart. In fact, the Russell, it's been actually, you can see here, it was flat right there, the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen, and it started to edge up right there on that candle from, let's see, January 9th, right? It broke through that 258.20. So if you look at the big picture here, the weekly chart, the Russell 2000 is still the strongest, okay, as far as the momentum. And so, yeah, it's true. Jeremy Siegel was talking about how the small cap stocks are more likely to, to benefit from AI. That kind of makes sense in a way. That they have potential to like grow significantly with the use of AI. So I think Russell 2000 will do quite well. Here's a daily chart. They're pulling it. Russell on the daily chart has pulled back, but found support at the Kijun-sen. So if we get a nice bullish candle, that's going to give a nice, and it can break back above the 9 period. I think that's going to give us a nice buy signal again. And the VIX, I mean, it was up a little bit, but then look, it just kind of dropped. The second it reached the cloud, it dropped, got back under the 200. Yeah, it stalled at the Kijun-sen here, but we want to see that volatility dropping, and it did in fact. It went from that point on Thursday of 1696. It reached a high here of 1929, and then it basically came back down to 17.44. So I like that.